Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Magic Jack app error on your Android device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you're not being able to log in or access your Magic Jack application, then the first thing to do is to make sure that you're connected to a Wi-Fi or a cellular data. Turn on your Wi-Fi or cellular data, or you can also try switching between them in order to find the stable internet connection. Once you have a stable internet connection, your problem might be solved. But if it still does not work, the next thing you could do is to check for available updates for Magic Jack application. Tap open Play Store and go to the search box at the top. Type in Magic Jack in the search box and perform your search. If you see an update button popping up right next to your application, you'll be able to update your application by tapping the update button. And once you download the latest version of the application, your problem might be solved. If you see an open button, it means your application is already updated. If it still does not work, the next thing to do is to try deleting your Magic Jack application from your Android device. Simply find the application in the app drawer and press hold the app. Tap on Uninstall and now tap on the OK button at the bottom in order to uninstall the application from your Android device. Once the application is uninstalled, simply go back to your Play Store, search for Magic Jack and tap on the install button in order to reinstall the application on your mobile device. Once the application is reinstalled, simply tap open the app and try logging into your account one more time, and that might be able to solve your issue. Those were some of the easiest fixes you could try out whenever your Magic Jack application is going through an error. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.